Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Exploring OCaml's idiom equivalent to Python's range function. Introduction. Python's range function is a popular and useful tool for creating sequences of numbers. However, if you're transitioning to OCaml, you might be wondering how to achieve the same functionality. In OCaml, we don't have a built-in range function, but we can easily create similar functionality using idiomatic OCaml constructs. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to generate sequences of numbers in OCaml that are equivalent to Python's range function. In Python, you can create a sequence of numbers within a specified range using the range function. For example, in OCaml, we can achieve the same outcome using a combination of OCaml's constructs. Here's the idiomatic way to create a similar sequence. Let's break down the OCaml code step by step. Let rec_range start stop equals, we define a recursive function called range that takes two arguments, start and stop. If start equals stop, then the base case of the recursion is when start is greater than or equal to stop, in which case we return an empty list. Else start, range, start plus 1, stop. If start is less than stop, we append start to the result list and recursively call the range function with start plus 1 as the new start value. Let my_range equals range16, we create a variable my_range by calling our range function with the desired range, which is equivalent to Python's range, 1, 6. Let result equals list.map string_of_int my_range, we convert the list of integers into a list of strings using list.map and string_of_int. This step is optional and is done here for formatting purposes. Let result_str equals string.concat, result, we concatenate the list of strings into a single string, separated by commas. printf.printf%s\n result_str, finally, we print the result in a formatted way, similar to Python's print. To run the OCaml code, you need to have OCaml installed on your system. You can save the code in a file with a .ml extension, example range_example.ml, and then compile and run it using the OCaml compiler. This will produce the following output. While OCaml doesn't have a built-in range function like Python, you can easily create equivalent functionality using recursive functions and idiomatic OCaml constructs. This tutorial demonstrated how to generate sequences of numbers in OCaml that are equivalent to Python's range function, allowing you to work with ranges of integers in a functional and elegant way. ChatGPT